In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Odyssey G6 monitor to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Odyssey G6 or any other Odyssey monitor model from Samsung, you will be able to connect it to a PC by following the steps that I'm going to cover in this video. All that you need is a suitable HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Usually, they are going to include one of these cables when you unbox your monitor. So all that you have to do is grab the included cable, or you can purchase them separately. If you purchase them separately, you will be able to purchase higher quality and higher versions of these cables. In my opinion, DisplayPort is going to be the best. Usually it helps you achieve higher refresh rates with the native resolution. So I would recommend DisplayPort, but if you have to use HDMI, that is okay. It is perfectly suitable and you will still be able to use this monitor in its native resolution. So all that you have to do is first connect a power brick. So usually there will be a power brick included that you plug into the monitor, and then it goes into a power outlet on your house. Once you have it connected and the monitor is receiving power, you will be able to set up the cable. So with the power brick connected, you will have to use the cables in one of these three ports at the back. So you will have DisplayPort in and then HDMI in. You can use any of these. You plug one end of your preferred cable into the port, and then the other one is going to go into the back of your computer case. So if you look at the back, if you have a dedicated GPU or graphics card, it is going to have usually this metal black plate, and all that you have to do is plug the other end of the HDMI cable or the DisplayPort cable into any of these slots here. This is very important. Make sure that you are plugging the other end of the cable into your GPU and not the HDMI port on your motherboard. So most motherboards will have HDMI ports, but you do not want to plug it in here. You want to plug it on your GPU. If you don't have a dedicated graphics card, then you can use the one on your motherboard, but whenever you are given the choice, you want to make sure that the cable is going into your GPU. And as long as the cable is going from your GPU into your monitor, it is going to be ready to be used. So now you can power on your computer, it is going to be detected, and you can set up the resolution, refresh rate, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Odyssey G6 monitor to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.